foodies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, we'll be making orange cake today. Guys, it's bumper to bumper on this channel, recipe stroke. So let's get into it. So foodies, for this recipe you're going to be needing your orange zest. So I said salt and my baking powder. I'm going to add the zest to my sugar and mix properly. Yes, so after that I'm going to add my eggs and I'm going to go in with my oil. Don't forget to add your orange juice. It is very important. So the next thing I'll be doing is to add my vanilla extract. Yeah, I'm going to pour in my milk. I'm going to mix. So after mixing, I'll go in with my dry ingredients. Please make sure to not over mix.